Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 16-minute workout. We will be doing merengue, cumbia, salsa, samba, and a little bit of American rumba. By the way, we are working on a new program, so if you want to be the first to know when it goes live, click the link in the description below to sign up. Alrighty guys, it is time for some merengue. Let's just march on the spot. Here we go, march. Very good. Get those arms pumping. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna go to the side and side. Tap, side. Tap. Tap. Keep going. Very good, back on the spot. Ready? Forward and back. Here we go. Forward, back. Forward, back. Again. Forward, back. Forward, back. On the spot, go. Very good. Back to the side. Go. Side. Forward and back. Here we go. Back on that spot. Get ready. We're going to make a circle. Here we go. Circle. Very good. Other way. Get ready. To the side. Here we go. Tap, side, tap. Alrighty guys, it is time for some cumbia. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1. Back, 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 back. Very good. Keep this up. Get ready. We're going to overturn. Keep it up. And back to that basic. Very good. We're going to go kick, 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 turn. Kick, 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 turn. Kick, 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 turn. Kick, kick. Ready? Very good. We're going to do the other side. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, turn. Very good. Keep this up. 1, 2, 3, turn. Very good. Back to that basic. We're gonna overturn it. Alrighty guys, it is time for some salsa. Get ready. We are going to do the followers part. So we're gonna be stepping back with that right leg first. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, go. Back. Keep this up. We're gonna go to the side. And back to that basic, go back. Very good, we do basic and turn. Basic and turn. Again, basic, turn. Basic and back to that basic. And to the side. We're gonna step and tap. Tap, tap, step, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, guys. We have Samba. Get ready. We have our bounce. We're gonna do basic step. Here we go. Basic. Back to the bounce. Very good. We are gonna go into a side basic with that right foot. Here we go. Back to the bounce. Get ready. We're gonna go into a whisk. 5, 6, 7, whisk. Side and cross. And back to that bounce. Very good. We're gonna go into a batafogo. 2 forward, 2 back. 2 forward, 2 back. 2 forward, 2 back. Again, 2 forward, 2 back. Last time. And basic step, go. Side basic. Whisk. Batafogo, 2 forward, 2 back. Back to that basic, go. Side. Whisk. Batafogo. Back to that basic. Side basic. And whisk. Batafogo. Let's bounce just for a count of 8. One more count of 8. So we can breathe. Get ready. Back to the basic. Here we go. Side. Whisk. Batafogo. And basic. Side. And whisk. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alrighty, guys. We are back at Cumbia. We're going to repeat what we did before. Get ready. We're going into the basic. Now we're going to start with the left foot. Get ready. We have and back, back, back. Very good. Keep this up, guys. Overturn. Back to the basic. And overturn. Very good. Get ready. Back to the basic. We do 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna switch that foot. Switch, here we go. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn, and back to that basic. Very good, get ready, overturn. Very good. Alrighty guys, it is salsa time again. Again, we are doing the follower steps. Right foot going back first. Get ready. And go. 1. Back. Forward. Very good. Get ready. Side. We left off from the taps. Let's tap. And basic. Very good. To the side. Step and tap. Basic. Get ready, we go like this. We go basic, turn. Basic, turn. Basic, turn. Very good, guys. We have our samba again. Get ready for the bounce. Very good. Basic step. Going forward, go. Forward. Side basic. And whisk. And batafogo. Basic. Side basic, and whisk, and batafogo. And now back to the bounce. Very good, guys. We're gonna do volta, 4 one way, 4 the other way. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Do it again. And finish it off. Back to the bounce. Go. Very good. We're going to add that in. Get ready. 5, 6. Basic step. Here we go. And side. And whisk. Batafogo. And volta. Here we go. Do it again. Back to the basic, go. Side. And whisk. Batafogo. Volta. Switch. And switch. And back to that basic. Done. Alrighty guys, last but not least, our American Rumba. Get ready, we're gonna do it on the spot. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Get ready. We're gonna box. Slow. Side together, back. And forward. Back. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Keep this up. Very good. Back on the spot. We're gonna go to the side. Side. Switch. Switch, switch, side. Switch, switch, side. Switch, switch, side. Back on the spot. Very good. Here we go, box. Get ready? Here we go, side. Back on the spot. And back to that box. And done. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!